I'm living the dream. It's every man's dream. Okay, so I've cut the grass.
You cut the grass? You cut the grass?
Okay, Julie's cut the grass. But it was her turn, to be honest.
It's been my turn about 6 times, isn't it?
That's right, we do 6 times each. It's my turn next. Do you know where my sunglasses are?
Yeah, they go up a carpet.
Music room. We don't have a music room. We have a bedroom with my banjo in it. It's hardly a music room. But I'm just going to put my coat in the cloakroom and I'll crack on. Stay, everybody stay. Okay, I've got plans. I'm having a night away with my dog on my own. Julie's at work, so I'm going down to a campsite on Saturday. It's booked. It's a non-electric pitch on the quiet part of the site. That's the only one that was available. That's the first time I've been there, so I don't want to give a bad impression, so I'm going to give the old CV a wash. Okay, so I've just had this delivered. It's a Gardena water smart flow meter. I'm going to connect this to my hose pipe just to give it a trial out while I fill the paddling pool for the dogs and see how it works. Okay, it's on. The water flow meter's on. Let the testing begin. Julie, I'm only going away for one night. Yes. One night of peace with my dog. I'm living the dream. It's every man's dream. I'm basically only doing this because it's covered in bird poo and I don't want to make a bad impression and I don't want it to damage my paint. So get this bird poo off and give it a hose down. That's the first job of today. Job's done. Okay, so while I've been filling the paddling pool tank, my Dutch herder has bitten a hole in my hose pipe. So now I'm washing my van. I don't know whether you can see this. I'm sure you can. There's a jet of water coming out of there, 2 jets in fact, so I'm going to have to cut that hose down because I'm getting soaked. And so is everything else. Two. That's a bloody tank, I'll kill him. Got rid of the bird poo. I was interested to find out how many litres of water it actually took to wash my van. Well, it has took me almost 15 litres of water today. If I can get a good angle there. 14.9. Oh, sorry, 149. 149.4. That can't be right. 149.4 litres. No. Surely not. 150 litres of water per vehicle. That can't be right. And if it is right, how many litres of water are these car washers using? Makes you think. My wheels are clean, the van's clean, so I'm happy. My work's never done in here. Julie's probably sat indoors drinking a gin and tonic. However, I've got the van to hoover out. Never stops my work. Never stops. That's it. Ready for Saturday's trip. A little bit of tidying up to do over there, and I'll do that now.